Hey Happy Bees, it's Amanda, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to marble fondant. So for this cake I'm going to use two colours. I'm going to use white and blue, and you can see I'm using a lot more of the blue than the white, but you can use whatever ratio you like. You're going to press these colours together and gently twist. Now fold your fondant over. You're going to twist again a few times and fold the fondant over one last time. Now you're going to take your fondant and stretch it out as long as you can, and you can see where all the lines are. Now the key I find to marbling fondant is to keep those lines running in the same direction. So rather than kneading the fondant, you're going to use a pulling motion instead. Once you can see your colours are starting to come together, you can fold that over one last time and put the creased side at the bottom. And what I would say to you is it's important to stop when you see your colours starting to merge together. Don't wait until you think you've got your fondant at the perfect marbling effect, because as you'll see, once you start rolling it, it's going to marble your fondant even more. Now you have your fondant rolled out, you're going to check underneath to see what side you're going to use, as sometimes underneath can turn out even better. Click on that Happy Bee Cakes bubble on your screen now if you want to see lots more where this came from. Bye guys!